Jump! Jump! It's Marvin! Your cousin, Marvin Berry! You know that new sound you looking for? Well, listen to this!
Pancake.